The UK is a world leader of manufacturing, but we've got a problem that, if left unattended, could affect our competitiveness.
The UK currently sits 24th in the world in terms of automation adoption per 10,000 manufacturing workers. That's not a particularly good stat when we should be sitting in the top 10 as one of the G7 nations.
Part of the answer to the problem must lie in collaboration, with industry working alongside education to fill these gaps.
We as a company ensure that we have a high emphasis of education within our strategies going forward, ensure we've got the right products, we can deliver the right content, and we can help support those academies, those colleges, those schools and universities deliver the education that makes those young people come out of that education really confident in the ability to adopt automation, to actually suggest automation to their future companies, and hopefully change the way we work now.
To keep the talent pipeline flowing into the sector, manufacturing and engineering must be seen for what it is: an exciting career prospect.
We need to make people aware as OEMs, as educational facilities, that engineering really is, and manufacturing really is, a valid career path. There is some fantastic roles within manufacturing, and we need to make people more aware of it, of what is in there, and where it is going and how they can get on that journey. And we have to keep the skills coming into it. There is some fantastic apprentices coming in now. I mean, we're getting some great apprentices coming through because it's been made more aware to people in schools and colleges that it is a viable path. So more people are applying, which is fantastic.
The message at FANUC is: let's keep it all going. The education and collaboration on automation.